in here they make original 1812 cookies. Let's go in and take a look.
So these are called fine cookies. They're a raisin cookie.
What fine
Fine
cookies?
And this would be sort of a tea service snack for the officers.
Oh wow.
In the oven.
Yeah.
And that's the menu.
Yeah. Thank you.
Have you tried a snack?
Yes, I have.
Really?
Very nice.
Oh, good, aren't they?
I'm going to try these at home.
Another Cananana
I bet
recipe.
you'd have to make a lot of batches of these cookies.
Oh yeah.
We're kind of like a cookie factory in here most
Yeah.
days.
Yeah.
And the cast iron griddle that we use is actually an original as well.
Wow.
So we use that in it. It works out pretty well. You just flip them like pancakes. Depending on the strength of the fire, it changes how much time they need, but you get a pretty even bake with it.
Well, you'd eat a lot of those.
So you made these with ingredients locally? Not like a Sobeys mix or something?
No, we have the ingredients and then we make it fresh.
Fresh,
in there.
fresh. Oh wow.
Yeah.
I'm going to make some.
It's warm in here, doesn't it?
We do also have some historic recipe books in the gift shop if you're
Yeah.
interested. So that one comes from the Fort George Bill of Fare.
Oh, yeah.
So they've compiled different recipes that are from the period to show you what the different food would have been like in this area.
What's he making now?
So those are some cinnamon rolls. Historically, they would have been called coach wheels.
Coach wheels,
Yeah.
all right.
Nice.
So they're just kind of cooling now. Are they ready to serve or a little bit more time?
Yeah. You guys are the
The first
test
to
subjects.
try.
I mean,
Yeah, test subject,
You
yeah.
mean I'm the, what do you call it? You dummy.
You have to sign a waiver.
you do, you do.
Thank
Oh,
you.
these are sweet.
Yeah, they are, yeah.
They make them sweet.
Pardon?
Oh, they taste just like cinnamon,
Silly.
Cinnabons.
No sugar.
No
It
sugar.
is sugar, yeah.
Yep. Oh, it's just sugar.
Just sugar, yeah.
Made just sugar. Made with just sugar. No, nothing else.
Well, it has other things in it.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's what I meant.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Maple syrup.
Oh, I'm going to live it, yeah. I'm going to bed.
Oh, nice. Really nice.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're very
Nice to
welcome.
meet you.
Thank you. Cheers.
Enjoy the rest of your day, folks.
Bye.
Are you from round here?
I live right here now, but I'm from Northern Ontario.
Cookies and
Good, that.
cinnamon.
Them Cinnabons were nice, weren't they?
Yeah.